morning, gamers. Welcome to another episode of Around the Shitcoin. So, first off, let's just go straight into how yesterday's trades went. So, yesterday I was shorting some shitcoins, specifically Shiba Inu and Doge. As you can see, they're up today, but that does not dissuade us because we did make out with profit yesterday. I will show you on the new Discord that I am currently working on in development for. Link in the description for that. On my channel, I got the log, so here was my initial entry. Obviously a little bit red. You can never be too scared of some red. Obviously, you're most likely never going to hit the exact top or exact bottom, but in the end, we came out on top and the trades went very well. I came out with just a couple $100. It kept dumping after that. We definitely got some limits out in the profit for those trades. All fun and good. So, what about today? Today's a Sunday, still weekend volatility, obviously. So, we got to take profits fast, get out fast, just that weekend vibe. So, I'm looking at the Ethereum charts right now before I started recording, and what I was noticing was, like I was talking about yesterday, how things candy. Well, almost printing red dots, but not quite enough as the money flow is continuing to increase, thick in the green, DBSI increasing and decreasing on the bearish side as we make our way up towards this weekly fib, which for Ethereum is 3630 bucks. So I'd say around 3600 is a real good shot. It's only 3% move. Very, very possible. But I was also noticing, especially on Bitcoin, how if we look at the Bravo Cipher here, I can tell that RSI is overall decreasing. As you see, the RSI over here was much higher from the 0 to 100 scale than it is currently right now. So RSI is decreasing, momentum is definitely decreasing. We got a nice red apex here for that trigger wave on the momentum. Money flow also not as high as it was. It still has a chance to come redeem itself, but considering everything right now is tilted to the downside, I do believe we are in for a correction. This is the hour time frame, so obviously it's going to take a while. I think if the money flow plays out one day from now, roughly. A day from now would be Monday. Alright, Monday. What's special about Monday? Well, today's April 3rd, Monday's April 4th. We are just getting into the territory where the Bitcoin conference starts on April 6th through the 9th, which I am expecting prices to go down. At least that's what I believe. Obviously, I cannot confirm that until the oscillators tell me so, but we are oversold still, even though the daily VWAP is coming up on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on the total market cap, as well as RSI is going up. So overall, April is still looking very bullish, but the Bitcoin conference coming up is probably going to be a bearish time in my mind, and I will be looking for bearish leniencies during those days. So we're getting close. We're getting close. So what should we be trading today? I don't have it on my watch list over here, so I keep wanting to look at ZIL USDT, because this thing, ooh, I should have put in shorts last night. It is down 28%. I'll open up SR real quick. So as of last night, I think we were around here, this point. Yeah, I think it was right here where I saw this bearish apex, but I didn't believe there was enough selling power and it was kind of curving up, so it dissuaded me from coming in. But this RSI is absolutely dumping right now, and even though the markets are up, ZIL is down 13%. So this is a coin that has been rampaging to the upside recently. A lot of people been jumping in on this bandwagon for 300, 400% increase. It's not going to go up forever. Money flow is now just starting to go into the red, as you can see, even on this 3 hour chart right here, how clean of a curvature that is. Money is just leaving the market. It is no longer, people are no longer buying the asset, people are selling the asset, getting rid of their gains. This is probably going to be a good short as the gropers, the flopping gropers, as we like to call them, are buying the dip. They're buying the dip. They're allowing for this exit liquidity to be given as the market is dumping. So we should definitely be looking at this very closely to try and make some trades. This doesn't scream I want to buy. This screams I want to sell. When you see something like this, that's selling time. It could go parabolic. It could keep going up. It's probably not going to happen. As we can see here with some traditional technical analysis, if I make a horizontal line at the top, it basically just made a giant double top on the daily. And when the market makes a big double top, we can expect a blow off top where it hits the top, explodes, maybe it comes back up, retests it, makes a double top, and then explodes even harder. So that is kind of what I'm expecting here. Maybe a giant weekly double top where we just come crashing straight back down. Possibly. I think short trades are definitely in favor right now. So we should be looking at putting in shorts on ZIL. Um, Trying to see if getting in right now is a good idea as the market is bleeding profusely. Money flow seems to be getting deeper and deeper in the red, coming out on the higher time frames. The VWAP curving up might offer a little relief, but it seems to just be being negated on the lower time frames, just continuing to dump. This is what you'd expect to see when money flow crosses over the zero line. It shows you the direction of where the money is going, and the RSIs are absolutely low, very low, 5 points. I do not believe this is a good buying opportunity. I don't think it's going up another 200%. It'd be epic if it proved me wrong, but I think we need to be looking at shorts here, and I should have shorted on these apexes, or even this apex. It seems like any hourly red apex is going to grant you some sort of return here. So when this green apex momentum probably pushes the price up just a little bit, comes back up, who knows how far it's going to dump. The next red apex is going to be really good confluence to get in on the trade. As you see, it keeps trying to come up on the apexes here. It keeps trying to make a green apex, but it just can't until it can't dump anymore. And even then, look how thin the money flow is as people are buying it up, groping into it on this dip, and it still just keeps coming down. The sells are just too hard. I think that is very bearish, especially look at how easy it is to see this RSI. Usually RSIs can be a little bit hard to decipher in the cipher, but this is just a flat, plain, straight to oblivion. It's looking really good for shorts right now. And I think that's it for right now. We're just gonna look to enter some good shorts for today at least. This is still the weekend, still volatile, so we're gonna be in and out real quick, I believe. I love to just take profits, lock in the trade, and just let it ride. That is my strategy right now for this type of environment. Is kind of set it and forget it, let it hit your take profits. This is that type of environment right now. All right, well, if there's any major updates, definitely they'll be on my Discord immediately, and because it takes a while to render these videos anyways. So if you want to go get access to immediate updates on my trades, the Discord's the way to go. See you in the next one.